How to create a brochure on Canva. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can create a brochure using Canva. Now before we start, what is Canva? Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including social media graphics, posters, flyers, infographics, presentations, and many more. It provides a user-friendly interface and a vast library of templates, design, elements, image, and fonts that the users can customize and combine to create a high-quality, professional-looking design. The first thing you're going to do if you don't have an account is to sign up by clicking over here on the sign up button. Now you can log in or sign up using your Google account, your Facebook, with email, or you can continue another way. Now, right now, we're going to click on Google, and then we're going to log in into my account. Now, over here, we're at the main dashboard of Canva. Before we start, I'm going to give you a quick tour of Canva so that if you want to create other things other than brochure, you would have an idea on where to go. Now, as you can see here on the top, there's a design spotlight, business, education, plans, pricing, and learn. Under Spotlight, you can see the different things that you can work on, such as visual documents like docs, presentations, whiteboards, PDF editor, graphs, and chart. You could also edit photos and videos because Canva has a video editor, a YouTube video editor, a photo editor, and a photo collage. You could also create printouts like business cards, invitations, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars, and labels. Now, under marketing over here, you can also create logos, posters, flyers, brochures, which what we're going to focus on today, social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, and a QR code generator. Under business, you can access Canva that is designed to optimize your experience when you're creating something for your business, such as content creation, visual communication, brand management, team collaborations, and many more. There's also solutions over here and resources. Canva is very versatile and you can create virtually anything that you want to do and design them in a way that you want. Now we're going to begin to create our brochure by going under here on Spotlight and then clicking on brochures. This will now redirect us to this page. Now when we scroll down, we're going to see different templates that Canva has. We can click on Browse All Templates, which will display all the templates that Canva has in its database. Now, if you don't want to use any of the templates over here, you can simply scroll back up and then click this button called Create a Brochure. This will now then redirect us to the editing page of Canva. As you can see here on the screen, our page is divided into three sections, the way brochures are designed. Now, when you click this page, you can see here on the top left that you can change the background color from over here. You can choose from the solid colors, change it from white to blue, purple, red, green, or you could also click on this icon when you can drag the circle to help you create a more accurate color creation that you would want. You could also search other websites for a color code, and then after finding a color that you like, you could simply put the code over here. Now, for now, we're going to choose a template that we want to try and edit. I'm going to choose this template over here. Now, as you can see, there's two pages over here. This is because brochures are printed back to back, and one of this page is the front page and then the back page. We're simply going to click on this, and then this will add the design into our current page. We are then going to click on Add a Page, and then click on the other design. You can also see the theme style over here where it says it is plain black. Now we're going to try editing the contents of this template. As you can see on the left side, we have the expo where information about the brochure would be located. And then on the middle, we have the more info like our contacts, our address, our email. And then over here, this is our front page, which has the title and an image. Now to change this image, you can simply click on it, and then you can click on delete. This will delete the image that is located here, but will retain the shape. Now, if you want a different shape, you can simply go to Elements, and then you're going to scroll down over here, and then you're going to see the different frames for your images. As you can see here, there's a circle, there's different shapes, there's also a frame with a design, and many more. Now we're going to choose an image for now, and we're going to search coffee. Now now under all, this will display all the things that is related to the topic that you have just searched. Like under graphics, it's going to show graphical pictures of coffee. Under photos, it's going to show photos. And then there's also videos and frames that you can use to put in your photo. Right now, we're going to click on photos and click see all. And then we would have a lot of options over here. Canva has a lot of great images that you can choose from. But if you have a specific image in mind that you saw in another website or in Google, you could simply download it and then upload it over here, where you would be able to see all the different images that you would have uploaded. You could upload images, you could upload videos and audio. Now we're going to continue. For now, we're gonna pick this image over here. We're simply gonna drag it and then hold it over the frame here, and that will put in our image over here. Now we can change the title by simply clicking on it, and then we're gonna change it by typing. I'm going to change it with Coffee World. You can also drag this text by simply clicking and holding it. Then you can drag its location. As you can see, there's a kind of ruler that you can see to make sure that your item is centered or where you want it to be. Now we're going to edit this area. You can change the phone number by simply clicking on this, and you can drag it, or you can simply delete it by clicking this. Now, if you make a mistake, like if you accidentally delete an information, you can simply go over here on the top and then click this arrow, which means undo. Now, as you can see, there's icons over here where you can drag around. If you want to add more information, like if you want to add your Facebook page, you can simply search for Facebook. Oh, we accidentally turned our Canva into dark theme, but we're gonna ignore that for now. And yes, you can make your Canva into dark theme if you want a dark theme when editing, which is also good for the eyes if you ask me. We're going to continue. We're going to search Facebook icon. Then we're going to click on graphics. As you can see here, there's a lot of options for your Facebook icon. You can choose anything here that would fit your style for your brochure. And as you can see, the icons are hollowed and like a vector. So we're going to follow that style by simply finding a hollowed out icon like this one. Then we're going to click and drag it into our page. We can resize it to the appropriate size, and like we could align it with the other elements by looking at the ruler. Then we can make it smaller, then put it over here. Now to add the text, you can go over here on the left side and click on text. And because the size is very small, what we're going to click on is this over here, which is a tiny bit of body text. As you can see, it's a bit big still, so you can simply change this by clicking on the text that you want to have the same size with, and then see the font size. Then what you're going to do is click this, and then you can change it to the font size that you saw from the others. Then you can simply drag it and align it. Now we're going to scroll down. As you can see, there's more images over here. You can change them like by doing the same thing I did over here. And if you can notice, there's a lot of things in our screen. Like we have this red circle over here, then this graphics over here. Everything in this page was customized, built using the elements, which you can use to also customize your brochure without having to use a template. You can simply search for a concept that you want, like for example, clouds. And that this will give you a lot of options. Like there's a lot of beautiful graphics over here. You can also use images like this. You can simply click and drag, and it's also transparent already, and it's very easy to use. Now, after editing your template, changing what you want, making sure that all your information are correct, you can simply go up here next and then click on share, and then you're going to click on download, and then you could choose the file type that you can download your file into. You can download it to JPEG, you can download PNG, you can download PDF standard, but if you're going to print this template, I'm going to suggest that you save it as a PDF print. And after clicking that, you have options like to crop marks and bleed, flatten PDF, include notes, and also select the page that you would want to delete. You could unselect a page, or you can select both of them. And then after doing that, you can simply click on download, and then Canva will download our template as you can see over here. And after downloading, you can simply print, and then there you have it. You have your very own creative template. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.